Hi everybody, this is Tim. This video I'm going to show you how to create a membership site on your WordPress blog or site using a free plugin. It's a very good one. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a couple that I've got, membership sites, and one of them will duplicate, and I'll walk you right through the whole process. First one is one that you can join if you like. It's entirely up to you. Let me get into it here. Plugins to Profits. This one here is how to dominate WordPress. It's got over 150 videos right now on it that are all primarily WordPress videos. They're all to do with themes, installation, SEO, all kinds of things like that, how to monetize your blog and different things. And this one is $37. It's a lifetime membership, and you just sign up once, and I have over 150 videos on it right now, and I'm adding new videos each week, so it's going to keep growing and growing. Now this very site here, I am using the plugin that I'm going to show you. And you can join this site for 37 bucks. It's one time, and then you have a lifetime membership. So we'll go ahead and go to another domain that I have that I'm not doing anything with, and I've already taken and copied a bunch of stuff. I'm going to show you the site that that's on, which is another one with the same plugin, membership site. Boy, this Comcast down here in Florida really sucks. This computer is slow. These people, I'll tell you. Alright, this is one that I just created yesterday, and I want to duplicate this and show you exactly how we did it. It's sign up for $6 one time, and what you get on this site is 31 videos, primarily for newbies, all about internet marketing. How to find and register domain names, setting up your hosting, HTML skills, and things like that. And you go to sign up to get into this site, and there's a checkout button with PayPal. And the videos page is protected, so you can't get in until you sign up. Now over here on the side I put ClickBank ads and Amazon ads. You might as well monetize it best you can. And welcome page, can't get at anything except the home page until you sign up. So we're going to do that with this other site, information site. Now I've already got this all set up, so I'm going to basically, I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to delete all this stuff, and then go back and start from scratch so you can see exactly what I did. Okay, I'm in the control panel, and you can see I've got WordPress already installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it, and then we're going to reinstall it. So we'll completely remove this, and we'll do a new installation right here. WordPress over here is selected on the side on the left. You can see that. Here's the domain. We're going to call it admin 3, I think I can use. I haven't used that yet. And I don't know, that probably is as good a password as any. And install, finish. Now it's done. This will take us right here, this address will take us to our control panel for that site. So we'll get this opened up. We're going to close out of the control panel. We don't need that anymore. And I'm going to use admin 3 again to log in. And log in. Cancel, we don't want to save it. Okay, now we installed 2.9.2. This plugin that we're going to use actually requires 3.0 to be installed, so we're going to update right here. It says WordPress 3.0 is available, please update now. So we'll go ahead and do that. Update automatically, or upgrade automatically. Okay, it was successful. And plugins, we're not going to put a whole lot of stuff in here right now. I'm going to get rid of Hello Dolly. Don't need it. I'm going to get rid of comments because Mr. WordPress's comment does not need to be there, so we'll trash that. I'm going to get rid of all the links because I create my own. So I'll put a check mark up here, and that highlights them all, or check marks them all. Bulk action will be delete and apply. So now they're all gone. Down here in appearance, first let me show you the site because I'll show you what it's got on there. It's going to have the domain name right here in the header, and how you get rid of that is down here in your settings. Let's see, settings, general, and it's all by default. It just puts it in there when you install, so you just delete that and save changes, and that will take that out of the header. Now the headers are relevant because we're going to create a new one and put it in there, a customized one, and I'll show you how you do that. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a new theme on here. Get rid of this default one. And I'm going to go get one off of my computer. Themes. Install themes. 3.0 has got a little bit of difference than the older version. I noticed that they got rid of, up here it used to say visit site, and you could go look at your site, and they took that out of there, and I don't know why they did that. But at any rate, the theme is on my home computer, or my hard drive, so I'm going to browse to my WordPress folder, and we'll get it out of there. And it's a very basic and plain looking clean copy, it's called, and I really like this particular one because when I'm trying to get people to buy something on my site or my blog, I don't like a lot of distractions and a lot of garbage on there, and some of them, that's all you see. It's hard to find your way around to what you're actually looking for. Now this one is 2-column. It's got a left sidebar. This is 3-column. It's got the center with the sidebar on the right and the left, and this one has just the right sidebar. So we're going to use that one. We're going to activate that one. So now, if we go look at our site, you'll see the new theme. And there it is. Now we're going to get rid of all this garbage on the side over here. I don't like that. I don't want it. Don't need it. So we'll edit that first. Then we'll change the header. So how we're going to do that is we're going to go into widgets. Excuse me. Over here in appearance, widgets. Here's your sidebar. The first thing I'm going to put there is my login button, my little meta. And we'll save. Then I'm going to drag a text box there, and I'm going to put that above it. And I'm going to save that one. And I'm going to drag another one over there and put that one in there, and we'll save that one and close them for now. And then we're going to go back to my other site, and we're going to copy and paste some ads to put in those widgets. They'll be ClickBank. And boy, I'm having problems with this stupid Comcast down here in Florida. Really sucks. I hope somebody from Comcast watches this video. Here's the site that I have. Like I said, for $6 you can get all this internet marketing videos, plus you get resale rights to them. You can download them all, or you can watch them and learn. So we're going to just copy and paste all this and all the ads. So we're going to go ahead and log into this site. Actually, did I put a meta down the side here? Yes, I did. So let's go down here and log in. And we'll go in and get our... Oh, let's see what I put on this one. No, that's not right. You get so many sites going sometimes, even with the password program, you forget what all your usernames are. If I don't write them down, that's not it. Hang on a minute, let me admin 3 maybe. Try it. These are all just temporary sites I got on servers anyway, so I'm going to end up deleting these, so I don't care what the usernames are. Okay, there we go. Now we get into the widgets over in the sidebar, and we're going to get the ad information. This one is ClickBank, so I'm going to copy, right click, copy, go back into the other program, and I'm going to open this text box and I'll paste it in there and save. Now you notice in front of this I always put this align center, because then it makes your ads all lined up nice and it looks better that way. So now we'll go back, we'll get another one. This is actually this one is Amazon. So copy, back to the other one, and we'll open the next text box and we'll put that in there. Paste. I'm going to take this keyword out of here, diabetes, that was from a different site, don't need it, and save. And what this will do is Amazon will automatically put ads in there that relate to your site. So if we go look at the site now, we should have those ads in our sidebar. Server update is in progress, check back after 10:45. That's for ClickBank. So the ClickBank ads aren't showing yet. Here's the Amazon ads about domain names and registration. Boy, am I having trouble talking today. Buying and selling domains. So you see it put stuff in there about internet marketing. And now we're going to copy and paste the information to our home page here. That's on the other one. First I'm going to change this window. I don't like it being this small, and how you do that is you go over here to settings and writing, and it's by default it's only 10 lines. I make it 30, gives me more room to work in there. I like that better that way. So we'll save changes, and now when we go back in there the window will be a little bit bigger. So let's go look at that. Okay, first thing we'll do is we're going to get rid of Hello World, and we're going to make it Internet Marketing Videos, and we'll get rid of Welcome to WordPress and Update. Saved it. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the other site, and I'm going to go get the information off the very first page of that one, which is this one here. So there it is there. So I'm going to go all the way down the bottom, and I'm going to copy, right click after I highlight everything, copy, go back to the other one, and I always hit enter and go down one so it's not right underneath the title, and paste. Allow access to my clipboard. Now I put everything on there. It made it a little smaller than the other one, but we're going to leave it that way for the time being. I'll make it larger later. Before I do anything, I'm going to install one more plugin real quick that makes this whole window a little easier to work in. Gives you more tools in your toolbar. So I'm going to add new, and again this one's on my computer. I'll just go and get it and upload, and it's called Tiny MCE Advanced. There it is, Tiny MCE Advanced. Open, install, and activate. Okay, now when we go back to the post and we look at it to edit it, it gives you more tools here. If you click on this button here, it gives you better things. Instead of just being 3, 4, and 5 for your sizes, it actually gives you the 12 point, 14 point, stuff like that. So I'm going to highlight all this and make it 14 point. So we'll go ahead and do that. And 14 and update. And I'm going to create a category over here on the side, because all we have is uncategorized, so I'm going to create one new category for now called Internet Marketing. Actually, I'll create two of them. The other one will be SEO. So add new category and SEO add. So now we got those, and we're going to update. Always click update every time you do something, so make sure it saves it. Now if we go back and we view the post, this is our basic home page that people see when they come to the site. I got to get rid of the about page, I don't need that. And this tells you what you're going to get for your price, $6 one-time sign-up fee, and you get access to all these videos with the resell rights, so you can market them and pocket all the profit. So I'm going to get rid of the ability to put comments in too. Excuse me, I got a frog in my throat this morning. So let's see, there's no comments. I got rid of the links. I want to go to the post and quick edit and take the check mark out of allow comments, because we don't want comments. Then we're going to create a couple pages, and we're going to add new. Oh, I need to get rid of about. Well, we'll do that in a minute. Let's make a welcome page first. WELCOME. And you can put anything in here you want for your message. Welcome to our site. Enjoy the videos. I don't have much imagination this morning. Enjoy the videos. And we'll say publish. Alright, now we got a welcome page. Let's go back to pages and get rid of about. We're going to trash that, we don't need it. And I always empty the trash, because one time I kept finding a page kept coming up, and it was like a duplicate page, and it drove me nuts trying to figure out why it was doing it, and it was in the trash, and somehow the program kept finding it. So I empty the trash now anytime I delete stuff and put it in there. And then with this WordPress 3.0, it always gives you this screen when you delete and empty the trash. So it's a little glitch in it that I expect they'll probably get fixed pretty quickly. Alright, now we're going to create another page, add new. And this is going to be called sign up. This is where people will come to sign up for your site. And this is where the PayPal button will be when we get to that. Alright, so that's updated, and we're going to create one more page. And this one is going to be called videos. This will be where the actual protected content is. We're going to put it on this page. Save. Now we're going to look at something here real quick. Page ID is 14, so I need to remember that, because when we go to protect this page in the program, you have to put that page number in that you don't want people to have access to. You'll put every page in there that you don't want them to have access to. So let's go ahead. Here's another one, allow comments down there. Let's get rid of that and update. And we'll go ahead and install the plugin for the membership. And it too is on my computer, so I'm going to add new and upload it. Now it's not in this database on WordPress's site, but if you go on the Google's page and just type in the name of this plugin, which is S2member, you'll be able to find it. S2member right there, and it is for free. Like I said, doesn't cost you anything. That's a great program, really, for free. Integrates PayPal and everything in it. So that is installing. As soon as that gets done, we'll continue. Alright, it did. Now let's activate it. So that plugin's activated. Now it says there's a new version of S2member available, so let's upgrade automatically. And it's all done. return to plugin page. Okay, we're all set to create a membership site now. So what we do is we go down here on the left hand side under your settings and S2member. First thing you have is general options. Now everything in here you can pretty much just leave as it is. By default it works just fine. You can put your email from, let's call it internet marketing site, and it puts the default email for your website in here. You can change this and make it whatever you want. Then you can close this. Your login registration page. You can change any of this stuff if you want. I don't. It looks just fine to me the way it is. I'm one of those people that says don't tinker. If it works, leave it alone. Membership option page. Now we're going to select. Over here on the right is a drop down, and that's going to be sign up. So we'll close this little box, and then page restrictions. First I'm going to go down to the bottom and save changes, because I have to go back and look at that page number. I didn't jot it down on the paper where the videos are, so I already forgot. Videos. It is page 14, I thought it was. Yes, 14. So let's go back down to general options in the membership program, and down here page access restriction. We'll open that. Every page you want to block you put in here 14 comma. That's the only one right now that I'm going to have, so that's all I'm going to put in there. And I'll close that, and then we're going to go down to the bottom and save changes. All this other stuff you really don't have to monkey with any of it. It is all real good just by itself as default. Next thing we'll do is we'll create a PayPal option. Now here I'll put in my PayPal address. Actually I'm going to use my wife, because I won't be able to pay myself, so that way I'll be able to go through with it. So I'm going to leave that, and everything else in here can stay the way it is. So close this box. PayPal integration, don't need to do anything there. PayPal confirmation email, this is fine. If you want to say any more in this box you can. Best regards, I'll put internet marketing. You can put your name, whatever you want. And we'll close this box. That's all I'm going to do in there. And we're going to save changes on everything. Now we're going to get our PayPal button. That's over here again on the left, PayPal buttons. And up here, what do you want to offer these people? You want to offer 10 days free? You can. Right now I'm going to leave it at 1 cent for testing purposes. Later you can make this your $19.95, your $37, whatever you want it to be to join your site, $37, whatever. And you have all these options. One time for 1 day, non-recurring. You got other ones where it is recurring payments. You can do trial periods, daily recurring charge for ongoing access, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. There's a lot of options in here you can use. And what I do is, sorry, didn't mean to close that. I'm going to use this one down here, one time for lifetime access, non-recurring, no trial period. Okay, now click right here, generate button. Your button's been generated. Please copy and paste to the short code into your membership option page. So we'll click OK, and it already highlighted all this in blue. So I'm going to right click and copy, and then we're going to go back to the page that we named sign up, and that's where we'll put the button. We're going to edit this page, and we can put in, let's see, first of all we're going to paste the button. Now, as far as I know, you can put this in there under visual or HTML. It doesn't seem to matter. I haven't noticed any difference. And you can put one-time payment of $10 for a lifetime membership, or anything you want. It's entirely up to you. It's your site. You do what you want with it. We'll update that page. So now everything is done. We can view the page. There it is. One-time payment of $10 for lifetime membership. So now we've got the video page. There's nothing there yet. So we're going to copy all those from the other site. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go to the actual page with the active links. This is just the first page on this one. So we're going to go to this internet marketing videos. And same thing, I'm just going to copy and paste all this, and the links will stay active when you copy and paste it. It doesn't hold some format. It doesn't keep the bold. It doesn't keep your different colors and your font size. Copy. And that's not the plugin. That's strictly WordPress. So we're going to edit, and we're going to hit enter one time and paste. Control V to paste. Alright, it's smaller, as you can see. It may not look like it, but it did. It made it smaller, so I'm going to change it all back to 14 and update. And this is actually a package of internet marketing videos that I bought with resale rights. That's all this is. And you can put these on sites and sell them. Or you don't have to sell them. I'm offering them with resale rights, but you can just let people be members just to come on your site and watch the videos. So this is what it does. It goes in and it opens up another page, and pay-per-click. Tells you all about pay-per-click. And each one of them is different. You know, like I said, this is pretty much for newbies into internet marketing. Really a lot of good information. So right now we can access this page with no problem because I'm logged in. So let's go back and see where we're at. Did we do a welcome page? No, I did not. We can do a welcome page. It's entirely up to you. Yes, I did. I'm sorry. Let me see what I've got in there. Welcome. Yeah, I've got it. So down here in general options, you can put login welcome page right here. You just go over to the drop down and select welcome, and down the bottom save changes, and we're ready to go. We're ready to start making money. We got the content on there. So I'm going to log out, so I have to log in and buy my way in like a regular customer. Go back to our home page, and there it is. You got your home page, which you can access, sign up page, which you can access, videos you cannot, and welcome you cannot. So everything's protected that needs to be. The ads are showing up, as I said, from my I usually put Google ads over here too. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm at the home page. I get to this site. You'll have to promote it, of course, through different SEO and search engines and advertising, whatever you want to do. And you can even put it on ClickBank if you want, and give people commission for sending customers to you. So I say, okay, this looks good to me. I think I want to look at these videos, and I can't get at them because I have to join. So I'm going to go ahead and join. One-time membership, $10. Although it's only going to be 1 cent. And let's see, I'll use my own PayPal because I'm paying my wife a penny. I don't want to spoil her and give her too much money. Actually, it's her that controls all the money. I'm just kidding. So review your payment and click Pay Now, 1 cent, to join the site. Now this next page, you might want to put a little message under your join button telling people to return to merchant, but it doesn't matter if they don't. They're going to get an email automatically generated. If you return to merchant, it'll give you this option. Thank you, your account's been approved. Next step is to register a username. Click OK to register now. So here you are. You click or select your username, and we'll put in, we'll just use Tim, and my email, tjspears@yahoo.com, and first name is Tim. I'm not going to even capitalize it. I'm not going to. Okay, a password will be emailed to you. So we register, and registration complete. Check your email. So let's go look at my email. Come on. Disconnected from my chat. Boy, I'll tell you, this Comcast down here in Florida, well, I think Comcast everywhere is that way. It will not let me open my mail. What is going on with this? Let me refresh it. Oops, this page is broken. Boy, I'm getting that a lot today. That's from Comcast. Yesterday morning I got up and didn't have any internet at all. Waiting for my Yahoo to open. I'm going to pause this while we're waiting. There's no sense of wasting both our time. Okay, I'll go into my Yahoo mail, and I should have my information for joining the new site. Okay, your username and password, here it is. First there was another one that said, let me copy this. And you can just click on this link here to log in. Let me go back and look at the other one. Congratulations, your membership's been approved. And it gives you the option to complete the registration if you missed it from the PayPal site. So let's go ahead and log in. Make sure I'm not logged in already. I'm going to use the link. Actually, I'll just let me use the link in my mail. Let's see, inbox. Username and password. There it is. Login page. That reminds me, I got to put a link. Paste. I need to put that page in there. Copy that. Cancel. I'm not going to save it. And I'm logged in. Welcome. So sign up. We don't need that. Videos, we get to there. And they're all active, as you can see. Understanding cPanel. So there you go. That's how you set up the membership site with this plugin. Easy enough. So if you have any questions, my email, let's go back here a minute. Let's go back in and this is the other one. Oh, I know what else I wanted to do too before I leave this is I want to show you how to change this header. We talked about that program early, and let's do that real quick. Actually, let me make that login page first. And we got to log out because I'm signed in as a customer. Here we go again. think it might be admin. Yeah, I think it is admin 3. Guess it would help if I wrote these things down, huh? Okay. Let's create a new page. Add new. And we'll call it login. No, actually that's not what I want to do at all. I take that back. We're going to make a link to the login page. That's what I want to do. I want to add a new link. And the address is going to be the login page. And we'll call it login. And add link. Link added, okay. Alright, let me log out of this. And no, actually I don't want to, because I want to change that header. It'll only take a minute to do that. And what we'll do is in FileZilla, we'll upload the one on the desktop that we created with xheader.com. So let me go to Site Manager and log into the site. And public HTML, WP content, themes, clean copy is the one we're using, and we're using the one with the right sidebar. And we want images, and header is in there, so we're going to upload the one off my desktop that we created. Upload, and let it overwrite the one that's in there. And that's it. Now, when we go in and look at the site, our new header should be in there. There's going to be one other thing that we're going to have to fix. I'll show you why. There it is, right there. Okay, no, we don't have to fix it. It came in good. So there's your new header, custom header in there like you. So that's it. That's how you use this particular plugin. We'll take another look at it real quick, in case you forgot. S2member, and you can find that on Google. There's a website for it on there, and that's the one you use. And like I said, you will have to have WordPress 3.0 installed. So I hope this has been helpful for people that want to learn how to do a membership site. And like I said, you can sell anything you want. And it's integrated with PayPal, so easy. If you have a lot of stuff on your computer, like I said, like I do, with resale rights or private label rights, you can put all that stuff in protected pages, and people can join your site and get free access to it. So it'd be a good way to make money. And don't forget to put all your ads in your sidebar for Amazon, Google, and ClickBank, so you can make some money that way. So that's going to conclude this video, and thank you for watching.